Let's explore on how to fix FC24 unable to connect to EA servers error. Let's begin. The error code FC24 in EA game typically indicates a connectivity issue, particularly difficulty connecting to EA servers. And most players know that you have to make some steps to address the FC24 unable to connect to EA servers error. Now, before making any changes, alright? You might want to check the status of EA servers because most of the times, if not all, server maintenance or outages can lead to connectivity issues. And again, you need to visit the official EA status page on their social media channels to get real-time information. Or if you are a part of the FC24 Discord channel, you might want to check on that because some members in the community updates real time, and also some forums like Reddit to get more information. Now, the next step that we can do is from here, you might want to restart your router and console or PC. Now, power cycle your router and restart your gaming console or PC. This can help refresh your network connection and potentially resolve temporary connectivity issues. Now, if it doesn't work, you might want to go to check if you are using a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if not, consider switching to a wired connection because wired connections are generally more stable and can reduce latency. After doing so, you might want to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Of course, you need to run a speed test to check for any unusual drops in speed or packet loss. Now, you might want to go here at speed test to check your connection quality because it will help you identify potential situations where your connection quality may be impacting your online gameplay responsiveness. All right? Just go here at speedtest.com. And if for some reason you are using a VPN or proxy, you might not try to disable it first and try connecting without it. Sometimes these services can interfere with the connection to EA servers, but again, that depends on your region and location. But you might want to see if that works for you. You can also go to your computer and start in the start menu and check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they are not blocking the game's connection to EA servers. You might want to temporarily disable them for testing purposes, and if the issue is resolved, try to create exceptions for the game in your security software. Another technical steps you might want to try is called port forwarding. So it involves opening specific ports on your router to allow the game's data to pass through more easily. EA provides information on the ports to be forwarded for their games, and you might want to refer to the EA support documentation or community forums for details on port forwarding for this specific game you are playing. Okay, another technical steps, if you are a wizard by changing DNS settings to use on a public DNS server such as Google's DNS, like these numbers, and sometimes it can improve your connectivity. But be cautious because if you're not tech savvy, there's gonna be a problem reverting back to the original settings. You might want to make sure that your game is also updated to the latest version because developers often release patches and updates to address connectivity issues. And if the issue persists, consider reaching out to EA support, right? And by doing so, they may be able to provide specific assistance based on your account and setup. Now, that being said, of course, but always keep in mind that specific solutions may vary based on the platform you are using. All right, always refer to the official EA support resources for the most accurate and up-to-date information. If you have experienced this error in the past and you know you have like a better option, Let us know in the comments below and I'll be more than glad to read them for you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.